guys, happy Wednesday. So we just got to the gym and it's another leg day. I feel like every time I make these videos I always record on leg days, but yeah, to be fair, I do hit legs 3 days out of the week, so yeah. But yeah, I know a lot of you guys are really enjoying my burping content, so I will continue to make that for you guys. I have a few ideas already. I've had people in the comments tell me, someone told me they want a mukbang one, someone else said they want more like close-up burping ones. I've had a lot of you ask me when I'm gonna go live, but to be honest, I'm pretty shy to do that right now. Well, my goal, if I hit 2,000 followers, then I might consider it. The goal is to hit 10,000 eventually, you know, with time. But if I can hit 2,000, I'm almost there, then maybe I'll do it soon. So yeah.
Memories. Oh, doctor, doctor, I must have gotten this sick somehow.
I'm going to ask you a series of questions.